Okay guys, PD Tech here. This might sound crazy, but my drone has just laid an egg. There it is. I don't know how long they take to hatch, so I'm going to leave it a few days just sitting on it and see what happens. But that's it. I tried this a while ago with my Bebop, but apparently there were 2 males, so I didn't have much success with that.
Flashback.
So it doesn't take much imagination to see how this happened, but a bit of Rick Astley helped, and some soft lighting. That's the male there on the back. You can tell it's the male. It's got the white propeller, and if we just lift him over, you can see he's got the little. It's got the male connector there. The male probe, as they call it. So, and that's the female. Now they're a little bit hard to tell, but if you just turn her over gently, you can just sometimes see underneath there. You see that little sort of receptacle? That's where the male probe goes. So there you are, guys. It can be done. I've actually bred them.
End of flashback. 4 to 6 days later.
So this is a fortnight later. So 14 days and it's hatched out. We just take the, that's the mother, take the mother off. And there it is. There's Bob. Little baby Bob. Incredible. I've done it. I've successfully bred these drones. So at the moment it's just a fledgling, and I'm not sure how long it takes for the propellers to become fully functional, but it'll soon be flying, I'm sure. It won't take long. So I'll keep you updated. Hope you enjoyed that little video. Take care, guys. Bye bye for now.